हरिः कर्ता।
So now let's look into the one more plot, and pretty advanced plot. This is a fill between x comma y1 comma y2 plot. So fill the area between two horizontal curves. The curves are defined by the points x comma y1 and x comma y2. So this creates one or multiple polygons describing the filled area. You may exclude some horizontal sections from filling using where. So by default, the edges connect the given points directly. So we can use step if the filling should be a step function. So that's constant in between x. Okay. So fundamentally, what happens with with the fill between method is so the curves will be defined. It fills the area between two horizontal curves, and the curves are defined by the points x comma y1 and x comma y2. So x is common, so y1 and y2. So that's what from at one point of x comma y1 as one coordinate and x comma y2 is another coordinate, and then we'll be filling from here to there. So let's take one example to have a better understanding. So we'll say fill between x comma y1 and y2, and we'll take the same one till here. Obviously we have to change the x comma y values. Even the seed also I'm going to go with 1, not 3. Okay, now let's make up our data. While making up our data, so first x value is empty length space of 0 comma 8, make it into 16, and if you want, just you can explore. Yeah, you got it. We made it into 16 pieces, then our 16 fractions, and after that we have y. So y is equals to 3 plus 4 times x divided by 8 plus np random dot uniform of 0 comma 0 comma 0.5 comma len of x. That's what my y1. So let me make it as a y1, this one, and second point will take as a y2. So two ones. I execute. Let me check what is print y1 array. Print y1 array. Yeah, this is what 3.2. Okay, and after that let me go for the y2 with minor modification. So 3 plus in spite of going for that 4x by 8, I'll go for the 2x by 8, and rest all remains same. Now let me get and explore y2 also. Let me check print y2. Before that I'm gonna change the name here, and here print y2, and this is what okay, 3.208 or 3.41, 3.33. So the slight modification as slight changes are there between y1 and y2 between the data, other than the first point is slightly closer. Okay, so now our data points are ready. So now what we can do is let's plot. Okay, let's plot it. Now what we'll do, let's plot. So we'll take fig comma x is equals to plt dot subplots that remains same, and execute your subplot. Your subplot canvas is ready. Now let's add fill between method, and inside that you just mention x of x comma y1 comma y2, and then give the value alpha, which is a floating point number, so zero point 0.5, and you have a line width which is 0, and execute, and this is what you got. So now I'm going to add a few more things. I will add a, a plot at the center so that we can get a clear distinction. So ax dot plot. So the area has been filled from x y1 comma y2. So now we will add a plot, a line 2D. So x comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and line width is equals to 2.1, and execute, and this is what is our line. So let me add limits to that. Limits same will go for the 1 comma 8 and 1 comma 8 for both, so there is not much of changes to the limits, and execute, and here is the graph. You see that exactly looking, and looking fantastic. Got it? This is how we make fill between plots.